Lights, camera, action.
We wanted them to see themselves, not as they've been told to, but as they truly are. This time, they are the faces, the beauty, the strength, the fit that the world deserves to see.
And this is your moment.
We will now reveal to you one of your photos, given by Helen.
Oh my god.
Love you. Ay, taray.
Oh. Oh my god, the makeup. Is this me?
Kabog. Scroll ko.
What do you want others to understand about plus-size women's struggles?
I think what people need to understand about plus size women's struggles is actually hindi lang siya sa plus size women, but people tend to villainize women's body a lot if you don't conform to a certain type of color, size, masyadong payat, masyadong mataba, masyadong maputi, masyadong maitim. They tend to villainize it so much na sobrang nagiging conscious tayo na hindi tayo nagiging comfortable sa katawan natin. My experience kasi, even when things are not about your body, minsan mariredirect pa rin dun yung problema to the point na telling them about a certain problem that I was having at home. Then yung nakausap ko, she was redirecting the problem to parang sinasabi niya na, wala ka bang problema sa katawan mo? Parang pinipilit niya na dun yung problema. So parang sinabi ko lang, parang matapos na alam, sige, yun na yung problema. Parang ganun. And other than that, pati sa hospital, ako kasi, I gained a lot of weight when I was diagnosed with PCOS. And yung mga doctors, I know na parang, syempre, they know more than me. Pero at the very least, I want them to listen to what I'm trying to say. Minsan kasi parang papasok ka pa lang doon, makikita pa lang nila yung katawan mo. Parang sabihin nila, ganito yan, ganito ginagawa niyan, kaya ganyan katawan niyan. Kaya siya may sakit kasi siguro kain siya. Hindi nila hinihintay na, hindi man lang muna nila ako tatanong kung ano yung lifestyle ko, ano ba yung kinakain ko, how much do I exercise, how much do I eat, ganun. Parang they already have this prejudice na if you're this certain type of body, ganito ka. And I think that's very, parang minamaliit mo yung tao. And siguro, that's one of the reasons why I'm both okay and not okay with this type of body of mine. So yun, parang, I think there's more to plus-size women than what we see. Most of the time, it's not because people or plus-size women overeat. Minsan siya yung nagiging side effect ng sakit. Hindi naman lagi na yun yung, we shouldn't assume a certain lifestyle that they have just because they have that type of body. We are struggling when it comes to from finding to wearing it, and
I believe a lot of plus size women are wearing the bras that aren't really their sizes. People might say it's our fault, but I'm not the one, but there might be people who are actually struggling despite their intentions. So I hope people will get to like understand and not, at least not really judge us.
Representing plus-size women is not about romanticizing being oversized, no? Alam naman natin na napakahalaga pa rin, napahalagahan yung health natin. It is not okay to be plus-size forever. Kumbaga, iba-iba yung approach na yon. But then, it is the start of motivating people na nasa ganong sitwasyon. It is about being seen, being understood, and being heard. Yun lang naman din yung gusto namin siguro perhaps maramdaman na hindi kami kakaiba. So hindi namin aspire na maging mas maganda or kami yung maging normal na epitome ng isang ideal na babae. Pero it's just that when we are seen, sana hindi maging iba, not to feel indifferent from others who fits the ideal.
Women are allowed to feel comfortable and to feel beautiful no matter what they look like or what they weigh. Because every size tells a story
Dedicated to every woman.